Hi guys, Ron, Take Tips, Take Stuff. How's it going? Hey, today I want to show you a cool transition using an ink bleed transition from Production Crate. It's a free download, and let's get right into it. Okay, so here you have my media here. So the first track we're going to drag down is the GoPro footage I took on a couple weeks ago. This one here. I'm going to insert a video track. Here's the bleed. We're going to drop this here. We're going to insert video track. And here's the second track I want to transition into. So drag it on top. So let's also cut this as well. And drag it to the bottom. To get this to work, on the ink bleed, go to Event FX. Click on Mask Generator. Double click that. Make sure it sends out luminance. Set this to child, compositing child. On this track, set this to multiply mask. And here's what it looks like. It's a real cool look. I'll link that to the download to Production Crate. And if you found any use out of this video, or you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. Most of my people watching my channel are not subscribers, so I really appreciate you if you would subscribe as well and give it a like. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.